This is Aisha for VETT222. Today I will be doing task number 9, which is the ACT or Activated Clotting Time test. In this test you should be using a gray top tube. Our clinic does not have these as we do not do ACT tests in-house. We usually send them out if not doing a PT-PTT. So for this demonstration I will be using a red top tube. I will be doing everything the same except for doing the water bath as well, because we do not have a system to do that. However, if I was doing the water bath, it would need to be at 37 degrees Celsius. The tube would need to be in the water bath for 5 to 10 minutes. Once the tube is at 37 degrees Celsius, you want to go ahead and have that sample on hand. So you want to go ahead and pull the sample, have the tube ready for your disposal, and then go ahead and put that sample into the tube so that it's still at the 37 degrees Celsius when you're integrating that blood sample into the tube. Since I'm not going to be able to do this, it will probably mean a longer clotting time for the sample that I place inside the tube, and won't give an accurate result. Normal clotting times for dogs are 120 seconds or 2 minutes. Likely to see double if not more, because I'm using a tube without doing this water bath or using the proper tube for the sample. However, we will be demonstrating everything in order to get the sample correctly, and as well as monitoring the sample. We'll be looking at 30 seconds and every 10 seconds thereafter until it clots a decent amount in the tube, not fully clotted, but is mostly clotted and starting to lump together. At that point we will stop the timing, and then we will notate in the patient's record how long it took for them to clot. Okay, so now we're going to draw. We have our 21 gauge butterfly, we've got a 3-way stopcock, and a non-clot activated tube. So first we're going to take Maxie's leg, alcohol, some readings. To pull the mill out first. She's really sweet, but she's working. We're going to get rid of that.
They're going to go ahead and do blood and talk to them. This cat had some weird.
So now go ahead and pull two mills.
Urine or not? She had some weird. She had some kind in. I was going to say the point. Look how cute you are. She's right here. She doesn't want it. She's not. Sure.
We're going to allow that to go into the tube. We're going to invert the tube 5 times. And then we're going to continue timing. We're going to look every 30 seconds or so until it starts clotting. Okay. Move around a little. For a minute.
Yeah, it should be that.
She tried to buy cats like the other one there. It's just the other one is very sweet too. She just thought we should have one of these. Ray, can we borrow your cat?
No.
I just want to test out Max. I should show you. Film in there quick.
Show her the stage.
Oh, we got those 2 strays.
Snail away. Where's Robert?
Oh my god.
Sorry, look. Yes, hold her.
We're at 2 minutes. Still not clotting. But once again, this isn't exactly the tube that we need for this procedure or the heat that it should be, so it's expected that this isn't going to show accurate results as far as doing ACT test the way it should be. This is more for showing how to do the process. So we're looking at 2.5 minutes now.
Ayo.
We're at 3 minutes.
All right. Yeah? I don't know. It wasn't I.
We're at almost 4 minutes now.
Go this way. How do we use dilute dextrose? Otherwise or?
Saline. So we're at 5 minutes now. Looks like there's starting to be a little bit of clotting in the tube. Five and a half. Six minutes.
No.
And there we go. So I'm going to stop it at 6 minutes, but you can see it's clotted. It's not fully clotted, but a good majority has started to clot. And then it's all lumpy inside, so that's where we would stop the testing at.